Hi, I'm Derek Tomey, founder of PeopleSoftCareer and creator of the PeopleSoftCareer OS. Let me explain how visibility works inside PeopleSoftCareer. Most PeopleSoft professionals wait for recruiters to find them. That approach fails because there's no signal, no structure, and no timing. So we built a visibility loop. Here's how it works. First, you clarify your profile. Your experience gets structured through the Career Coach Signal tool, Resume Signal Scanner, and LinkedIn Authority Optimizer. That turns raw experience into something recruiters understand fast. Next, your profile enters a relevance-based visibility cycle. During these cycles, selected Pro and Career Accelerator members are surfaced through PeopleSoft Career channels based on role fit, market demand, and clarity. This is not random. It's curated. Then comes the Talent Digest. The Talent Digest is a focused email sent to recruiters and hiring managers. It features selected PeopleSoft profiles formatted for quick evaluation, just clean summaries of ownership, scope, and capability. PeopleSoft recruiters and hiring managers scan. They reach out. Conversations start. That completes the loop. You improve clarity, your profile becomes visible, recruiters engage, you refine again. It's a deliberate system, just structured visibility for PeopleSoft professionals who want to be seen for the right roles. Join us today inside the PeopleSoft Career system.